So hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Um, let's see, I got about 20 evals right now. I have one PA. Gonna just pass them slowly. Hopefully we'll keep them all. Hello, hello, testing, testing. Let's see. Right now I'm thinking we're gonna go to past the closing price of yesterday, which is gonna be like the 950s. So I'm thinking for a potential long off there. Hmm. Hmm. Oh well, that was a bit of a fake out right there. And I am on a 1000 tick on the micros right now, so that's why it's like moving so fast. Hey, what's up? Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, obvious. Mm-hmm. I thought we are going to the open price, but I don't know if we're gonna do a retest. Mm, I might get stopped out here. Yeah, I took a short right here. So my stops like the 45s. Like, I don't know. Don't complain about it. Hmm. I might get stopped out. I'm doing the engulfing off of on micros, but it's a little bit different. So I might get stopped out here for like 10 bucks. Yeah, stopped out, sadly. Hmm. Yeah, they are. No, like the moment market closes, you can set them out. Basically, all it is, dude, is just the closing price. Hmm. I took a quick one right here just to see. Oh, I took a short. It may not be the smartest. We should probably wait until we go and attempt that high because we're so close. But yeah. Hmm. You mean very? The very one? Mm-hmm. Well, right now my short's slowly playing out. I spoke too soon. Mm. Oh, what is it? I accidentally used a normal contract instead of a micro. So I made like 130 bucks, but I was like, no. I could have made more, but I had to close it because I did not want that to pull against me. Well, no, like I caught it because like at first I was thinking like, oh, I'm like, 10 bucks, whatnot. And then I look, I'm like, oh, I'm like 100. Oh, heck no. And I just quickly just closed it. I was not about to make that same mistake of like other things. Mm-hmm. I think I'm gonna cover at the yeah. Because what is it? We got gas. We got Trump speaking in 10 minutes. It seems. Oh, did they? I thought that no. Yesterday the interests were the same. Yeah. It was like 3.9 or something, and they decided to like keep it at 3.9. Or maybe I read something else, but that's what I thought I saw. Right. Up like, oh wait, no, never mind. Pop back up. I was up like 40 bucks on my micro. Mm-hmm. Short from the 67s. might get stopped out. Yeah. Oh, it held. That was surprising. I'm thinking again, we're gonna maybe retest the 950s for like the yesterday's close, or we're just gonna bounce off the 20,000s. Not entirely sure. Mm-hmm. Yeah. A topped out, but $69 for everybody and 130 for some. What's up? I don't have $1. Mm-hmm. Man, I forgot to record that, but I am streaming, so I can just go back and take that, I think. And I'll just record the whole time. Dang, right back up there. Or right back in my entry, so I guess I'm glad I kind of sold. Now we're probably gonna go test that high. I mean, where will we go after? What's possible afterwards? Would it just be the 141s or 142s? Well, no, but like that's the possible high, right? Oh, that basically that high of yesterday. Right back up there. But no, I'm streaming on YouTube, the same channel from before. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Gotta hustle, man. Nah, just me. I mean, that's the thing. Like that's gonna happen for a while. Mm-hmm. Indeed. I did a quick scalp. $8. I mean, it doesn't sound like much, but it's like, yeah, times 20 that. That's like, I don't know. Technically, this is an engulfing candle, like to the downside, um, on the 1000, but I still think we're gonna have to push up there because we're so close to it. It doesn't make sense not to touch it. I mean, like, maybe we don't, but like, it just seems like we want to. Oh, what is it? Did you see the stats I sent you the other day? I mean, that was, well, I don't know. The thing is, I only did it on initial entry because it seemed confusing if you just did re-entries. But just off of initial entry, that's what the things was. Like, you had, I think it was like 7 opportunities. 3 were a bust out, but it's like you would have only lost a total of what? I think it was like 70 ticks, so like $35. But then you would have made up a hypothetical of like 500 ticks or whatever it was. I know, it wants it. It's so close. I'm getting ready to short it. Really? Is that all the juice we got? 3 points away? Mm-hmm. Oh, by the way, for like future reference, okay, that's the highest touched. We broke it. No, but future, do you want me to like have like your voice also enabled on stream? At the moment, it's not, but I do have the ability to enable it. Because like right now, I just sound like a crazy person just talking like to like whatever. Mm, mm, yeah. Talking my other personalities. Mm-hmm. Let's see. I don't think we should go higher, so I just took a short. But we might get screwed here. Because again, any news thing? So Trump's going to be talking about crypto. Alrighty. I'm thinking 950 or the 1950s if we have the juice to go there. Because it's kind of weird that we kind of like busted through the yesterday's close, but we didn't come for a retest. We wanted to, but we just kind of pushed up. I'll think of for like the 140s or something. That's a lot of people. I mean, again, I'm taking it short. I've made enough money. Mm-hmm. Alright. As long as we can break the, what is this? The 20,050s. Mm, yeah, yeah. Going, it's going. Again, need to break the 20,050s and then hopefully go all the way down back to the 20,000s. Mm, like hold along. Mm, mm-hmm. Okay. Solid. Break the 50s on the 1 minute or unless it was just like exactly what it said, the bounce off the 50s. Mm-hmm. Well, my stop's still technically gonna be like way higher. Not really. Always. Hmm. Yeah, it's like a slow grind, whittling down at you. But once it breaks this 50s, hopefully it's not just gonna be like a quick wick down and then a reverse. What I wanted to do is like, break the 50s, maybe retest the 50s, and then reject, and then we start dumping. Yeah, where's that at? Oh, mm-hmm. 50s are holding still. Let's see. No news again still. Anything at 11? No, we got something in 15 and then in 30. I know I'm sitting at like 60 bucks for per micro right now, but it's like knowing what's gonna happen. Like it's most likely gonna do that. We're gonna break the 50s here and then do that. But the thought of it going back up is just gonna. It's like a kick in the balls. Yeah. Okay, that was the EMA touch on the micro 1000 tick. For the normal NQ 1000, that's at the 977s. It's just toying with us. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm at 110 right now. What is it? Maybe I'll just place my stop at like the 60s. If we come back up there, and that's just like a FU type thing, right? Oh, good push down. VWAP and the other thing are now basically matching up with yesterday's close price at the 19.950s. I'm gonna just aim slightly above it. I'm gonna aim for like maybe the 70s. But you know for a fact that like the 20,000s is gonna probably like have a small bounce. Okay, I'm tying up my stop. It might be a dumb mistake, but where is it? Right there. I'm. I'm still. I'm still fine because I had it at the 35s. Again, we're probably gonna bounce off 950s. There's too many things there. We have like a pivot point. We have the EMA. We have the 200 EMA. We have VWAP and yesterday's close. Like all converging at that price. Was that the 20,000s? No, 20,000s nines. Oh, is this gonna be it? I know, but that retest is gonna stop me out. Oh, never mind. No push up. It has to stay down. No, it's 3650. Mm, nah, this is gonna stop me out, looks like. That's okay though. I think I secured about it's like $100 per micro though. Oh my goodness, I'm still safe. What was that? It was literally it was literally yeah. They're literally off by 2 ticks. I literally just used one of the candles high. I just did a little bit higher than that. Oh my goodness. Why does it keep doing this? Just dump. You got red, red, red. Why big green? Come on, break it through. Break the 20,000s. Right back up there. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Buyers want to hold this 20,000 something level. But why? No, just me. But there's no point in. Which one of you buyers are holding up the price? Mm, there's nobody. Ah, come on. That's sad. $106. It's still not a bad short. From the 91s or like the 90s to the 30s. Mm-hmm. I mean, they do play out often. Or not often, but let's see, what would you be risking? $15 if you sell it here and put it on the stop. Basically stops at the 50s. Like, what do you guys think? Really? Time to go short. Like, I'm going short. Ah, so sad. Stop me out. 100, 130 and some, 165 on others for whatever reason. Mm. But no, since we're just trading too often here, I'm just gonna hold off for a bit. Wait for another nice setup. 80% off. I said Apex 80% off. Man, the short would have been playing out. It would have, yeah. I realized one of my things is wrong. That's what I was meaning to do. I never did end up finishing the widgets for the stream. Because for the Buellnox code, I still have it for 83%. There's only a 75% going right now. No, it didn't. Mm-mm. I still had to pay 100 something bucks for a lifetime. Yeah, that's the one that's up right now. 286. Because they accidentally made that quick scalp and then all these others. But yeah, guys, if you want to support the channel, just check out the description box below and use our codes. Thanks again. It's okay. I know. I know. What is that as a joke? On the practice account, I went 15 cons short from the 82s, and I was up, I think it was like $20,000. Now it's at just sitting at like 9,000. What is it? The 15-second played out, dude. And remember, everybody, this is not financial advice. You will lose all your money if you follow anything we do. You're not supposed to say that. Man, so sad. Stopped out, but we would have made a quick scalp down. It is kind of annoying that Tradeovate doesn't actually have limit orders when you do copy trading. Yeah, it's you have to just manually like place your buys and sells. Okay, well, those were a bounce off of the Asia high. I didn't even notice that. The 2011s. Hindsight, I guess I should have taken profit there. Oh well. Hmm. No, that would have been like 69. Yeah. That is true. That would be, I guess, a easy way of doing it. It, it'll be a one or done, dude. Yeah, one or done. Mm. I need to get a new microphone stand. This one just likes to casually just starts moving down. It does. Like I'll have it set up straight normally, and then when I come into the room after sleep, the thing is just like tilted all the way down towards the ground, and I'm like, no, I'm back for work again. Erectile dysfunction. I mean, to be fair, man, it can't be hard all the time. It's a 4 hour limit, right? No, no, no. Technically, it's like if you have it longer than 4 hours, what happens is there's so much blood flow staying there that you might be already killing stuff. So if it stays for longer, you might have to have it removed. Mm-hmm. Also, fun fact if you want to know it, your butthole can stretch for 8 inches in diameter. And you want to know another fun fact? Raccoons can fit in a 4-inch hole diameter. So, theoretically speaking, a raccoon can sneak up your butt. Yeah, man. Why do you think they got like little band eyes? They're conniving. Probably. But it's just me, so. Mm-hmm. Trust me, man, the amount of things I've seen in the hospital is just. Ugh. My favorite thing is just the excuses, though. It's like you have some guy come in with like a soap bottle up his butt, and he'll be like, "Well, I was in bed and I turned over and it just slipped in." And it's like, you and I both know what that really happened. We're not stupid here. Or the gunshot. Yeah, then or the gunshot or stab victims. It's always the same story of like, yeah, I was going to church, and then it's like at 2 in the morning. 2 in the morning, go to the church. There ain't no church hours open this early or late. Mm-hmm. They're trying not to. No, they're trying not to incriminate themselves. Because either way, you do like help them out. Like you're not supposed to have qualms with anything of the sorts. It's just to me, it's just funny with hearing the excuses. But it's always the stuff with the butt thing, man. Dude, no, there was one. We had a surgery once. It took 3 hours to get it out. No, dude, it was a 9-inch dildo. They use so much lube that anytime we tried to grab it from inside, it would just slip out of our hands. And then it also suctioned up in there. So like it refused to come down, but then we didn't want to open them up because that's like a whole another risk factor of like uh uh well no, because like anytime you open up your belly and like do all that stuff, because like if we couldn't get it out, we would have had to open them up, cut a hole in the bowel and just take it out like that. But then like you got chances of like poop going all inside the belly and all that, and we don't want that to happen. Granted, like, we would wash it out, but for just that type of case, you know, typically you don't want to do that. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that would be funny. But like it would just be like kind of like the repeating stuff though. Because it's like it's always like the same or not the same, different person, same shit. Mm-hmm. But it does bring you a chuckle every now and then though. Do you gotta admit that. Uh, well, it just depends. Frankly, most doctors just don't really care about your story. It's just tell me what's wrong and then we'll just go fix it. It's like nobody likes the story of like well, me and my friends were, yada yada yada, and like don't care. Just like like where does it hurt? What I got to do, and like do the tests. That's why I find it like most med shows, like they're like all off. But then again, they gotta like make it entertaining. Yeah, no. I don't think there's a genuine thing, but, like, to be fair, there is no such thing, like, you don't really need to keep bedside manner. So how house acts in front of patients, that is technically allowed. Yeah, like, technically, your doctor can be very rude, it doesn't matter. It's just, like, you just assume that your doctor's gonna be, like, nice and whatnot. But I have met many a-hole ones. I mean, because like, what do you expect? Like, most of them have, like, a god complex. That's why there was, like, some kinda joke. It was like, "Do you know what the difference between, a doctor is and God?" It's like, God knows he's not a doctor. Let's see, any trades so far? I mean, there is one on the 32nd. Mhm. I mean, frankly, I didn't like them. It frankly is. It's again just one of those things where they probably just found like one part where it just like plays out better. I mean, it could be. We do have that downtrend up, and then we have this slight up. That's a high target. Let's see, stop recording that because I do have my one trade in there. Mm. You know what I gotta do? Make a like a key bind for that. So right before you're about to enter a trade, just click the button to start recording. Got the COVID. Mm. No. No, it doesn't really play out unless it's like in the overnights for whatever reason. No, it looks like it's happening. Trying to break below the 20,000s. Hmm. The X? No, super trend you would have gotten stopped out, dude. For me, oh, sorry, that's on the 30-second. I mean, dude, but like that's a high stop though. Like you're still in the 60s. I mean, I don't know. Was this really super volatile though? Like we kind of like just slowly went down. Mm. Hmm. Hmm. Seriously. Hmm. I guess I would have been fine if I just didn't move my stop, but it is what it is. It would have hurt more if it came back up. But on my practice account, I'm up 30 G's. What's up? Oh, really? That low? Oh, really? Did they sell everything though? Like Trade of Eight? Uh, I don't think so. Bang right back up. Yeah, we pushed all the way back up and down. Mm-hmm. Glad I'm sitting out. No, but it just kind of it sucks to see it though. Like that move, it would have helped played out though. Yeah, but then again, it's like it's hard to like not because it's like where the stop should have been. It's like you would have been only securing like $45 or whatnot. Heck, maybe even less, but it did play out in the end. Mm-hmm. I know, but that's only if there was no a trailing drawdown though, because it's like if you just followed that trend thing, you would have been blown with that push back up, unless it like just micros, obviously. But oh, okay. If you press this link, where does it take you? Mm-hmm. Because like I'm trying to, because no, because I'm trying to make the call to action things. So like when there is like people talking and whatnot, the bot will just randomly uh message out the thing. Because like, do you have the stream open? Nice. If I used big contracts too, I would have been there also. I had to push up. What is it? Entry was at the 90s and it went up to the 104s, so like 15 points of drawdown. Um if it was one contract, no, I would have been fine. Because like, what is it for 55? That basically 60 ticks, dude, is what it would be. Is what you're risking. Yeah, yeah. Allan. You know that actually doesn't really matter. It's just people will see this, but no, it really doesn't. The only thing the algo really cares about is duration. So for instance, but I don't know how it would work with live streams. But like for instance, like a video, how the algorithm works is watch time. So like if I post, say, a 5 minute video and numerous people watch the whole video from beginning to end, the algorithm will think, oh, people are liking this. Let's push it to some more people. And then like it just kind of snowballs like that. And then like eventually when your watch time gets lower and lower and lower, then the algorithm will stop pushing it. For instance, that's like YouTube Shorts, right? If someone sits there, watch the whole video, they'll push it. But if someone like watches what 2 seconds and swipes right away, the algorithm will think like, maybe people don't like it. Basically, you got to remember YouTube is a business, so the longer somebody's watching a video, the higher chance of an ad popping up, the higher chance of them liking your content, and then they'll want to watch another video of yours, and then they would maybe watch another whole duration. Because that's YouTube's whole goal, right? Make you stay and watch. Because the longer you're here, the longer you're going to be making them money. Mm. Hmm. Yeah. Take chart on the stream, and then I have a 1 minute 30 seconds. I have uh the normal NQ 1K, and yeah. Don't you lie. I find it funny that our like icons are look kind of similar though. There you go, man. I'll make you a moderator. Did it do anything for you or no? Mm. Try typing again. Try typing again. Mm-hmm. Now you have the access to put people in the VIP room. I took it away. You got too much power. No, no. Too much power, man. I mean, unless you want it. I see no point in. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Yeah, grow together. Mm-hmm. How many counts can you have up to fuel knocks? I shorted your long. Was that still you? I think it is. Pretty sure it is. Please, man. That's Christina's account. You think I wouldn't recognize KM? What do you mean? Trying to trick me into thinking I'm famous? Got one person watching? So that's right now 3 people. Let's see. Here you go, man. Get up to 11 accounts using code SA75, 75% off. Dude, what is it? I hate that you can't see in the compact version. Like in the standard, you can see everything, but in the compacts, you don't. You know what I mean? Some little music. Son, pack up your stuff. I just lost the house. That's kind of funny. Isn't it you? I don't know. Listen, I can't tell. You have like 20 accounts, man. I don't know if they're a real person. No, somebody in the comment. I think it's you. Mm-hmm. Can't trick me. Yeah, actually. You got all this time. It takes like 3 minutes to make a new Google account. You just changed the name on the Google account. Listen, just because you're having this argument with me, like, I already believe it's still you. Right now, you're just having a conversation with yourself. Mm-hmm. On your tablet. Genuinely? Hmm. What is it? Average 130 on 22 accounts. We are getting close to the 950s though, so maybe that's a little pop long. Let's see. New stuff. We got something in 50 minutes. Macklin. My wife gonna leave me? I need to buy cell signals. Come on, man. Listen, there's no need for cell signals. There's plenty of free stuff out there that works better. I still think it's you. I'm just saying. You have like 4 monitors. Listen, any new person that comes in here, I'm still thinking it's just gonna be you. It'll be like a whole conversation. You know, I'm the one left out. Really pulling the whole what is it, crazy? Talking to myself here. Hmm. I guess if I lose my house and live outside, it won't be insider trading. That's a dumb joke. No, dude. Listen, man. Your home is where your family's at. Funny enough, I always thought about like if I was broke, I was just gonna go to Hawaii, and apparently you can buy like a license or something that you can just live on the beach for like $10 a week, and you could just pitch up your tent and just live there. How are you gonna get food? How are you gonna get food? I have no idea, but yeah, maybe. I mean, if you got nothing though, like what if someone like you're asleep and then someone comes in and in your tent and steals your stuff? But no, that was the idea. Hmm. Let's see, still no trade. I mean, on the 1 minute, this looks like it's setting up for a bear flag. I spoke too soon. Look at that pop up. What the heck? I don't know. There's no news. Will something pop out? You, I don't know. There's nothing new popping up. AI executives bid to turn around Siri. No, that shouldn't do it. Looks like there's some rate cuts in UK, but that was 2 minutes ago. I don't know, man. I'm just waiting for this long. I want the 950s to tap, and then I'll take a potential long. Hey man, you do you. This ain't financial advice. Entertainment purposes only. Well, 4 people are just you, man. Oh, now it's down to 3. Looks like you left one. No, you still. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's VWAP right here. Oh, VWAP was the 62s actually, but oh, I have the wrong thing up. Not 70%. It's 80% off. 80% off Apex right now, guys. What I really miss is being able to blame my broker. Same. Now I had to blame myself. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. That was about the 50s touch of the yesterday's close. Now what happens here? Do we wick through? Hmm. I mean, it's not that we missed it. We were in it. We just had too tight of a... I know, 950 is just like I thought. Is that what you mean? Mm-hmm. On the... what time frame? 20,000. Oh, no, I didn't. Let me see. There. 2040. Maybe I don't see one in the 2040s. Mm-hmm. I see one at the 55s, but it's a very tiny one. Oh, the green one. Three. Oh, sorry, I just had like other stuff inside there, so I couldn't see it. Mm. I don't know. I think we might have like a little pop up for a bit. Not too far, like maybe like to the 70s, something like that. Mm. Uh, I think it's kind of in the same sense because it's like this is in a way a game, right? Like you have a certain well, you have a certain amount of money, and like if they don't like it, they just won't watch it. Simple as that, right? Okay, well that's the 70s. Do we start? Mm-hmm. I took a short for the funsies. I know, but on the other time frame, like this is a short right here, or a short scalp. I'm up 12 bucks. Don't stop me out. I'm gonna trail you. Yeah. Uh, Stopped out, but 10 bucks across all of them. Really? My stop was the high? That's that's lame. It could have been like what is it? 35 bucks again. But no, right now I'm just doing quick scalps. I'm not gonna risk much because I've already made the amount of money I kind of wanted today. My stop was gonna be the top. My entry was what is the 71s, and I was risking the 80s. Yeah, possible trend flip. See, this is where like I don't really know if this is a bull flag or a bear flag because it could like play in both senses. Mm, okay. Yeah. What is it? 50%? What does it mean? What? Yeah, I see the 57, whatever. But reversal in what sense though? Hmm. And then when it restarts, because like I'm just looking at this push up where like it went up to like very high, but then it just stopped. What thing? Oh, one length. I don't know. We're holding the 50s. It looks like we're gonna go touch the pivot point. 920s. As we officially broke below the 950s of yesterday's close. What's this? 918s is what it is. What is it? If you look in the 5-minute, dude, you think we want to go all the way down to the 862s or 845s? Yeah, like you see it though. Like that might be a potential long from there. Yeah, what is it? That's technically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was a 7. No, yeah, 7 to 1. I placed more of them to see more of the ratios. I tripled. All I did was hid the other things, but just changed the ratios from like 1 to 5, 6, 7. And I just changed them in colors too. So like, you know, blue is 1 to 3, green is 5 to like, or no, green is 4 to 7 or 6, and then pink is like 7 to 9. Just to like have something at a glance to know, you know, like be like, okay, well that's a 1 to 3, 1 to 4, whatever. Hmm. Getting close to the pivot point. Mm-hmm. Like how that was a long. Yeah. Okay. Well, that was pivot point touch right there. Mm. Um. Yeah, I guess. I just see on the top right. Oh, like that. No, no, no. I don't have that opened. I probably should have Ninja Trader open so then I could see all the accounts then. Because like, how does it work with like you can be logged into two different things? What's going on here? Wait, what? You would just do it through the Discord server, not you don't have to call me. Like, do you? No, because you called me. That's so weird. Oh, yeah. Do you see where under our things is? There's like a like your name, and then above it there's like a little box with an arrow. That's a share your screen. Oh, You could just take a picture instead of like showing it full on. If that'll be easier. Yeah, okay. Hello? Mm-hmm. So do you connect it through Apex or do you connect it through Trade of 8? Like Ninja Trader? Mm. Uh-huh. Yeah, I see you. I see you. ATF. But no, which one are you connected to though? Is it the oh, so like when I'm trying to connect, don't do it through Apex, do it through Trade of 8. Okay, yeah, that's what I was thinking. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. That's probably why it wasn't opening up. Oh, dude, we're sinking down there, man. Look at that. We're almost there. Now, question is, do we buy it here or do we just wait for the actual entry? I think I'll take it. Gosh, that's so loud. I have my tape. I have a TP at the, what is it? 910s. Oh man, maybe it wants to not go retest the lows actually. Proper entry. Because I would like to see what is it? A pivot point touch reject. What is it? 30 ticks or 30 point? No, not 30 tick. $30 scalp. Yeah. Um, Let's see. Oh, no, apparently I'm up 330 bucks on all the accounts. Maybe I should add that to the stream. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, get rid of the. Let me see. Buying power doesn't need to see. Excess margin, intraday margin. Initial margin. Intraday margin. Mm-hmm. I'll just pop over to like his thing and just see it. Like, baby's crying again, or? What I can do is this. So that means I could probably hide the bottom, so there's no point in seeing that then. Let me see. Window capture. For some reason. Why is it not popping up? Oh, whatever. I'll figure that out later today. For whatever reason, OBS is not actually picking it up. It's just showing a black box with like my mouse a bunch. Uh, I would say wait, because we got close to pivot point, so maybe we want to do a retest off the thing. Okay, I just took a picture and placed it in. Okay, well that's pivot point right there. Do we break above it? It's whatever on your OBS. Oh, so you just press share your screen again, and then like you could choose like applications, screens, whatever, and then just change it to that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. All right, well now show off that you were actually DMK. Mm. I don't see. Because you're showing an application, not your desktop. See, look at that, man. That long, oof. So like so you, well, when you press change windows, right next to it, it says screens somewhere, and then you can show screen one, screen two, however many monitors you have, and it will just show you that whole monitor essentially. Um, I guess press change windows. Yeah, maybe. Because since I'm not streaming in Discord, I don't know. Yeah, yeah. Now I see everything. Oh, you have it in the middle. Ugh. Yeah, gross. I have it on the left. But then again, I'm used to like literally what is it? All like the old Windows, where it was always on the left hand side. Do I buy it? I mean, I already did my scout, but no. I'm thinking to do a re-entry around the 850s. But we shall see what actually happens. but not financial advice. Yeah, 860. But between what is it? I mean, as long as like the 50s hold. Well, what is it? Like you enter around like the 50s, whatnot, stop below. So you'd be risking about what, $50 for a potential long bounce again, maybe? Well, on the 5 minute, looks like it's setting up for another bear flag. Let's see. There's the 60s. Let's see what happens, I guess. Mm. Oh, you're still doing it through there. Okay. So would I need to buy the Apex copy trader for that to happen or no? Oh. Mm-hmm. Okay, well that's a 60 tap right there. Is this gonna be a bounce? Hmm. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, what is it? I'm just waiting for like the engulfing candle to like kind of show that it actually wants to. But to be fair, that would have been a nice scalp though, from the 60s, and what is this? Basically up to the 80s, so that would have been mm-hmm. Dude, I'm up 62 grand on my practice account. You're not allowed to do that. You know that. Mm-mm. No, no, no. You're not allowed. Nope. 10K a day max. It might change in the live account, so I don't know, but on the thing. Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, you can't. You have to use that one chart. Mm-hmm. For the short side? Did you take it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And now it's gonna go. No, looks like it wants to do another push up. Maybe? Yeah, and then you got the retest. No, I get that, but like what I mean is like if you did take your profits up there, right? Like you would be able to just take that like little re-entry and just stop below it. So, like a risk, what is it? Well, yeah, because it's like what you risk like $30 again for a potential. Because it's like you already made your money on that one long run up. Well, one of them stopped you out though, I think. Oh yeah, dude. Look at that, man. It wicked the 93s just to go down. Let me see. Where's the potential low of day that we can go? London low, 734s. That is pretty far away. Mm-hmm. Well, I know, yeah, yeah. I took it too. I went a little bit earlier though. I took it off the Asia high. But man, that could have been another nice re-entry long, I guess, if you did a quick scalp off the 60s again. Mhm. I don't know again, man. Like I'm thinking as long as we can hold that block though. Maybe like a re-entry around like the 40s and then stop what below like the 20s? Risk 20 points? We're downward still. Honestly, what needs to happen is a trap. We need like a strong push down and then just a reverse. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Gotta get more monitors. Well, Well, on the 4 hour, it makes sense that it's choppy though, because we were waiting for like the Fed and the interest rates decision. Hmm. Like, I don't know. Maybe once I get another payout, I'll buy the thing. Yeah, but for now though, what is it? Trade of 8 is working fine for me because it's like left click buy, left click whatnot. Yeah, Trade of 8 has a built-in copier. I don't know how accurate it is, but it looks like it's working right. Everything has 328.50 May today. I don't know if it's accounting for commissions, but I mean, first thing first would be break the pivot point. Dude, gold push 3,000 like 50s. My stocks ain't doing shite. Mm. Dang, hindsight, man. Should have took that top entry at the 60s. A nice solid push back up again, 40 points. It would have been like 90 bucks. And take profit at basically pivot point again, like the 15s. There is a possible re-entry, 15-second, if you're interested. It would have been basically entries right here. No, that was a quick stop out. So sad. Lost 15 bucks or 20 bucks. Another retest on the 60s again, but that might break through finally. Mm, yeah, maybe. Okay, here we go. Best in the 60s again. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, stop at the 63s. Oh, a little bit blurry, so I can't really see, but mm. No, but I think I'm gonna sit out and wait. VWAP is at the 950s. Mm-hmm. Just have it underneath the candle. If it comes down, oh well. Looks like you secured what, like 20 bucks, 30 bucks? Mm-hmm. Solid, dude. Up 70 bucks. That's pivot point right there. We break above it. Yeah. I missed my time. I should have entered at the 60s, but oh well. I even marked out some lines thinking if we get pushed into there. I don't know if it's gonna. I mean, uh, what do you mean? It's too bad looking. Mm-hmm. I mean, you secured what, like 50 bucks if he gets topped out. Is it just careful of the 950s? That's gonna be your thing that you gotta break. Because yeah, again, we got it's yesterday's close, 200 AMAs there, and VWAP is still chilling there. Mm-hmm. I think we're probably gonna hover around pivot point then. I mean, just you could always just move your stop up to the whatever box. Yeah. There's no point in being greedy because we already made money today, so it's like this is just extra. Mm-hmm. Yeah, again, because that's the 200 EMA and all that stuff there. Mm-hmm. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, looks like it. Maybe like a retest on the 900s or something. I don't know. Mm-hmm. Mhm. Mhm. Plus, what is it? It didn't work. Like 5 seconds later or something like that. It was delays. I just got stopped out for break even. If it pushes off, I'm gonna be so sad. No, I entered the 917s and it was starting to push up, so I thought, okay, well, I'll break it even because as long as like it was gonna start like pushing up, I would have been fine. But alrighty, back to the 60s we go. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Dang, but the London lows though, 734s. Mm-hmm. I'm still thinking about a possible entry at the 850s though, around that area. 254 times 20, that's like 5,000 something. Let's see, I'm at 302 at the moment, so that's on 22 accounts, so 6.6k. 302, but I'm on 22 copy traded accounts right now. Yeah, on accident. I thought it was what is it? A micro, but um, if I held it, I would have been fine. I would have made, I think it was like 500 bucks, but then it started pushing up. On the 1 minute, this looks like it's setting up for a bear flag or bull flag. I don't know, man. It's the same thing. But like, do you know what I mean? Like, it's like, how do you interpret this? Is it like, you know, bang, bang, bang? No, no, like for instance here, look at this picture. Like, which do you take? It's like, mhm. Don't forget, everybody. Today, Apex is 80% off. Use my weird code, Ref of the Lab. I can't wait. I can't wait to change that, man. Thing's awful. Oh, by the way, make sure you like close your positions or flatten or whatnot. I don't know what it is, or cancel R for trading view. Because on my trade of 8, I forgot I had a take profit at like the 50s, and I mm, um yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Not bad, not bad. Oh, you weren't using your take profit? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh, Yeah, you could only like really lose one account. Well, if you did it, but like even still, one entry. But okay, here we go. Back down to the 60s. Do we bounce again? Is the question. If you guys are enjoying the stream, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment of what you guys think. Hurts, man. Hurts every time. I'll cry myself to sleep now. Can you imagine? Like not to even like joke. Like I genuinely don't understand how cyberbullying even like is a thing. Like, do you get upset by like what you read? That's some damn good trading. I did nothing. I've lost my scalps. I think it's you, man. I still know it's you. Ain't nobody else gonna be here. Listen, man. Listen, man. Like, wherever you find entertainment, that's where you'll go, you know? Who's you? It's okay, man. I'm just talking to myself. My other personality in my head. Making me think you're a figment of my imagination. Alrighty. Let's see. I don't know. This time around, I don't think the 60s will hold. Like, I think we're gonna have to go a little bit lower. How much I made today? I did a dumb trade. Oh, you know, I didn't even update it. 300 bucks across the accounts at the moment. Let me see. Does this update? Browse. Bam. Did it change? Yeah, it did. Okay. Okay, so it's a bounce off the 60s again. Potentially. I don't know. I kind of wanted to go inside more. Like, yeah, that would have been a nice quick scalp again. What is the 60s even holding? Is someone helping me trade? No, I just got like my bipolar disorder. Multi-personality. He's his friend. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Alright, speaking of news, 10-year yield coming up. 3 minutes. Okay. My question is, do I wait? Do I wait or do I take it? So if I take it here, stop there. Wicking up and down very fast. Hmm. You suck at trading, lost your job, and 4 kids to feed. Any advice? Find a job? Government assistance? It's you. What do you mean are they still? It's you. Listen, man, you can say whatever you want. It's the internet. Please. I'm gonna do a dumb long here. Let's see. Stop below the whatever. Let's just stop at the 20s. This will be my last trade. If I lose it, sucks to suck, I guess. I already took it. I don't like it. I'm tightening my stop. The 28s. I don't know. No, stopped out. $20. Of course. Are you fucking kidding me? Seriously. God. Dude, where'd it go? It went to the 26s, yeah. Ah, that's kind of dumb, though. Literally just got right up. Man, they did. They saw my order, and the market makers decided to be like, we need to take him out. One micro's too many. I don't know. I'd probably be up like $20 right now. It was basically looks like a 1-to-1. Seriously. That's funny. Maybe? Mm. Oh, that one from way back when. I do not remember where that is. I'm just gonna take a short. No, not yet. A mental stop at the 80s. No. My entry's 62s. I took a short. This might be the fall again. Mm-hmm. No, I'm still holding. I have my stop at 64s, but we'll see. Nope, gonna be stopped. So sad. I know. I was aiming for a 2-to-1 though. I was aiming for the 40s roughly. I had a full-on takeout though at the. Man, what is my luck here? Getting right back down. Man. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What? Eh, mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Still find it dumb though. I marked out my lines. I should have had like no stop, but at least made it bigger. Mm-hmm. Seriously. Yeah, probably. I don't know. Cause like maybe just view it as a job, you know? Just cause like what I was going to do is just stream from like when I wake up till essentially it closes. And maybe you see a good trade, maybe you don't. Like what is it right now? To be fair, that kind of sucked because like I sat out nicely and then took, was it 3 losses in a row? Yeah, 3 losses in a row. So I went from 330 per account to now I'm at 270. I mean, like, what is it? Like the most I was actually waiting was 250. If I get below 250, then I'm genuinely gonna be done because it's like on average, gotta make at least $200 a day to make it before the month ends, type thing. You know. Mm-hmm. By the way, Derek, you know how I know that was you, by the way? Well, right there for one. But if you didn't know, you can just look up people's channels, and that's why I said like you just made that today. Literally, it says it right there. Well, then I don't know. This one says it was made today. Mm-hmm. Well, like no, like that's again why I'm saying though. Like I knew it was you. No, man, I know it's you. You made it today. Well, first off, when I said, "Do you know how I know it was you?" You said how. You so no, you just said how, so you admitted it. Yeah, explanation that proved you wrong. Good old nerd. Um. Good hindsight, man. Should have kept my lawn.